The 2018 Lexus ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-size luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and is known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, backup monitor, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights, CD player, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.